Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: one of the four broad aims of nursing practice is to restore health. Which examples of nursing intervention reflect this goal? Select all that apply. Option A: a nurse counsels adolescents in a drug rehabilitation program. Option B: a nurse performs range of motion exercise for a patient on bed rest. Option C: a nurse shows a diabetic patient how to inject insulin. Option D: a nurse recommends a yoga class for a busy executive. Option E: a nurse provides hospice care for a patient with end stage cancer. Option F: a nurse teaches a nutrition class at a local high school. The correct answer of the question: option A, B, C. Activities to restore health focus on the individual with an illness and range from early detection of a disease to rehabilitation and teaching during recovery. These activities include drug counseling, teaching patients how to administer their medications, and performing range of motion exercises for bedridden patients. Recommending yoga class for stress reduction is a goal of preventing illness, and teaching a nutrition class is a goal of promoting health. A hospice care nurse helps to facilitate coping with disability and death. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.